Time to go.
You want to make me? You want to make me?
Whatever.
Drop the box. Drop the box.
Hang on a second. I got double lock.
On December 11, 2024, at approximately 16:04 hours, an officer responded to a trace-passing complaint. The complainant reported that her son was unlawfully remaining in the residence without paying rent or bills. The subject became verbally aggressive, used profane language.
What's going on?
My son is just not. He's been sick for a while, but he's on some medicine. I think now that's not very good for him. And I just need to have him out of the house. He started packing his stuff and getting out, and then he decided he wasn't going to go. And he'll get up in my face. He'll even spit in my face and that sort of thing. So I just need some help to get him out of my house.
Okay. How long has he been staying with you?
Since May.
Okay. Has he been paying any rent or paying any bills, anything like that? Okay. Does he have anywhere to go? Okay. Did he say where he was going to go?
No. I think that's the reason he stopped. He didn't know where he'll go. I don't know. I know that he's been drinking again. And I also know that I don't know what else he's got, but it's not something probably he should have. I don't know enough about that stuff to be able to tell you.
Okay. But he's been here since May?
Yes.
Okay. I guess the house is in your name, or is it owned, or are you renting, or?
I own it.
Okay. All right.
I'm paying it out anyway.
Right, yeah. Okay. It's kind of that gray area of,
what you can do.
Yeah. I mean, he hasn't been paying any rent, but it's also been since May.
Pardon me?
What was the agreement when you let him move in? Stay with you for a while?
I asked him, I said, you can come and stay as long as you don't drink and keep a job. Well, he just lost his job, and he's been drinking again.
He's not going to know that. She wants him down, you got to go. There was an agreement for verbal agreement, like you pay X amount of dollars a month, and I'd say, yeah, she'd have to.
There was no written anything. I didn't think I ever need it.
Right.
But the reason that I brought him here was because he had been drinking so bad, and he had 2 strokes. And so I wanted him to get well. And
Yeah. How much stuff does he have?
I don't know.
Is it all just clothes, or is there furniture, or?
The car's full, and he's got some more stuff in there. I don't know.
Okay, so he's already been packing the car.
Yeah, he started, and then he just decided he wasn't.
Is that his or yours?
131, I'm at the caution.
Oh, that's his? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I guess he's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, what's his name?
David Adams.
David, okay. All right. Yeah, we'll go talk to him.
I sure would appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem.
I just don't want him to get so mad he'll come back and hurt me.
So, I mean, we can ban him from the property if you want us to, which just means if he comes back, he'll be arrested for trespassing. If that's the route you want to take.
I'm not sure
Okay.
if that's the best or not. I would like to say yes, and come back and hurt me.
So, I mean, we can ban him from the property if you want us to, which just means if he comes back, he'll be arrested for trespassing. If that's the route you want to take.
I'm not sure
Okay.
if that's the best or not. I would like to say yes, and I don't want him to. I'm just a little bit afraid. That's all.
Talk to him first and see if there's furniture or.
The car's full, and he's got some more stuff in there. I don't know.
Okay, so he's already been packing the car.
Yeah, he started, and then he just decided he wasn't.
Is that his or yours?
131, I'm at the caution.
Oh, that's his? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I guess he's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, what's his name?
David Adams.
David, okay. All right. Yeah, we'll go talk to him.
I sure would appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem.
I just don't want him to get so mad he'll come back and hurt me.
So, I mean, we can ban him from the property if you want us to, which just means if he comes back, he'll be arrested for trespassing. If that's the route you want to take.
I'm not sure
Okay.
if that's the best or not. I would like to say yes, and I don't want him to. I'm just a little bit afraid. That's all.
Well, we'll go talk to him first and see how that goes.
As you go, you can go straight down the hall. It's the first door on the left.
Okay. Does he know you called us?
He knows.
Okay. Any guns or anything in the house? Any guns or anything in the house?
Yeah.
Okay. In his room?
Yeah. David? Yeah, I hear the door closed.
At our school virtual academy in Texas, we understand that every student is unique with their own strengths and challenges. This is why
Hey, David.
is designed for each student's unique learning needs. Our educators are experienced, passionate, and committed to helping students reach their full potential. We foster a culture of collaboration and partnership between parents and staff, ensuring that we work together to provide the best educational experience. Enroll today at highschoolvirtual.com.
What makes a comfortable retirement? It's having the money to retire on your terms.
There it is.
Creating a plan
What's going on, man?
confidence your money will cover healthcare costs,
Okay.
last throughout your retirement, or perhaps become a legacy. If you're planning to retire or are
You got the.
Can I help you? The answers. Call
So,
for your free
what's going on with you moving all your stuff out?
400-5650.
You answered your own question, my
Your
friend.
portfolio is 500,000
Hold
or
on.
more.
I can't hear. I'm very limited in hearing.
So how come you stopped moving your stuff?
At our school virtual, this is why our
Hey, David.
is designed for each student's unique learning needs. Our educators are experienced, passionate, and committed to helping students reach their full potential. We foster a culture of collaboration and partnership between parents and staff, ensuring that we work together to provide the best educational experience. Enroll today at highschoolvirtual.com.
What makes a comfortable retirement? It's having the money to retire on your terms.
There it is.
Creating a plan
What's going on, man?
confidence your money will cover healthcare costs,
Okay.
last throughout your retirement, or perhaps become a legacy. If you're planning to retire or are
You got the.
Can I help
has
you?
the answers. Call
So,
for your free
what's going on with you moving all your stuff out?
400-5650.
You answered your own question, my
Your
friend.
portfolio is 500,000
Hold
or
on.
more.
I can't hear. I'm very limited in hearing.
So how come you stopped moving your stuff out?
Why are you even asking me this?
Well, because your mom called us.
Why? So the police are here to understand why I'm moving out of my mother's house, and there is a legal problem with this.
I mean,
Explain to me, please.
Well, I mean, if she wants,
Explain to me.
it's her house, correct?
174 Visual B.
Okay. Did y'all have any type of agreement as far as you staying here, or she just said, yeah, you can stay with
You
me?
don't need to know any more than this. Do I need to go, or do I need to stay?
You need to go.
Okay, great. Then you can go. I'll go.
She said the car's already got a bunch of stuff in it. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Well, how much more stuff do you need to get?
This is it.
Okay. You can go ahead and grab it.
160, 168, 7 coming line. 160, 168, got an alarm. It's going to be 801 Higgy Ferry at the Blue Embers Smokehouse. Holy motion.
I'm having surgery tomorrow, so I'm sorry. I'm a little slow.
You're fine.
What's that from board?
Fuck you.
Don't do that.
Shit.
She let you stay
You
here.
are a piece
Come on.
of shit.
Go. Do I need to get the door for you?
You acknowledge
Okay.
that.
Hey, did she let you stay here rent free?
She is a piece
Time to go.
of shit.
What's that, Greg?
You.
Time to go.
You want to make me?
It's time
You
to
want
go.
to make me?
Do you want to go to jail?
You want to make me?
It's an answer. It's time to go.
Are you going to send me to jail?
Do you want him gone?
What?
Do you want him gone? It's time to go.
You're going to send me to jail for what?
Back up for me.
Whatever, Wilson.
Drop the box. Drop the box.
Hey, I'm not doing anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let go of the box.
I am, but I'm not. There you go.
We're not going to sit here and play this game.
Yeah, Wilson. You pussy. Send me to jail for what? Sleeping in my bed?
For trespassing.
Okay, good. Let's go.
Hang on a second, I got to double lock
Come on,
this.
pussy. Come on, pussy. Let's go. For trespassing.
Double locked.
Okay.
That should be up. Don't talk.
They're pretty tight. I was gonna. At least that one is.
131.
Okay.
First day, Wilson.
Just remember, she didn't do this. You did.
I was in bed.
Yeah, until you wouldn't leave. Do you have anything? Do you have any?
asked.
Do you have
I
anything
was
on?
never asked.
Yes, you were.
I was
Do you have anything on under the robe?
Nope.
Okay. Just the pants. So you do. Okay. Spread your feet for me. Spread your feet for me.
Whatever, Wilson. You're the pussy here.
Okay.
Oh, little pussy more. Wow.
Okay.
What, a 2 foot tall?
Have a seat.
Excuse me?
Have a seat. Good shit.
If you turn and face this and then sit down, it's easier.
Thank you. Oh. Look, I have like surgery in about 10 hours, okay?
They'll get that taken care of.
Oh, I bet you will, little short midget fucker.
So sorry.
You didn't do nothing wrong. I mean, this was all his decision.
Yeah, it was. It's not exactly what you think you kids.
I know. But if they don't want to help themselves, you can't help them for them.
No.
You're good with trespassing charges?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what else to do.
I understand.
I mean, I have to finally get him out of here.
Yeah, absolutely. So I will ban him from here. That being said, do y'all have another family member or mutual friend that could come get his stuff, or just whatever's left?
Yeah, we can work that out.
Okay.
I'll find somebody.
Okay.
I don't know where to take it. We're gonna.
I mean, a lot of times what we do, if you want to, I don't know if you're able or get somebody to move whatever's left and set it, out in the carport or something.
Yeah.
And just pile it up and let him know, hey, your stuff's in the carport, come get it. I mean, obviously, we're not going to arrest him if he comes to stuff, but if he's knocking on the door, harassing you, that's different.
Right.
If he comes, gets the stuff, and leaves,
You're right.
we're not going to arrest him for that. But that's what most people do if they can't get somebody to come get it for them.
I can do that.
Okay. What was your name, ma'am? What was your date of birth?
127.
What's a good phone number for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. And his name is David. And what was his date of birth? All right. Well, I know it's not what you wanted, but like I said, he made that decision. I mean,
Well, where will he be now?
so he's going to go to the Garland County Detention Center, which is out past, Mountain Pine Junction,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
new one they built.
Yeah.
He'll go there for probably a couple hours at least. I didn't quite. Has he been drinking today? Do you know?
I don't know.
I didn't smell anything,
I went
but
to work first thing this morning.
yeah.
Before he got in the, I don't know.
Okay. I mean, if he has been today, they'll at least hold him until he's sobered up. If not, it just kind of depends on the jail and how full they are. They may hold him. I mean, he'll be able to bond out if he has the means, but if not, they'll hold him for a few hours. And like I said, depending on their, capacity, they may let him go on a citation.
Okay.
But
I'm just trying to decide whether I ought to. I don't think he has a key anymore.
I mean, he didn't have anything on him right now.
Okay.
Just his clothes and his slippers. So
Okay.
I mean, I know he doesn't have a key on him right now.
Well, I know he still has some money. If he comes, or if he gets bonded out or whatever, he's going to want to come back here and get his car probably.
Yeah, and like I said, if he comes and gets his car and leaves, we're not going to have a problem with that. But if he starts banging on the door, causing problems, call us.
Okay.
Okay.
I wonder, but I may not even know. I'm trying to decide whether to just put the key in the car, and I hate to.
Do you want to hide it somewhere? I can tell him where it's at.
Yeah, that would be fine.
Okay. We can go out here and look and see.
If I can find the key.
Or I mean, I can take it. I can take it with me, and they'll give it to him whenever he gets out.
That would be better.
Okay. Make sure and lock it. Yeah. Okay. I'll see if he needs anything else out of there. So I got 3 phones and the car keys. Do you want to take anything else with you?
What the fuck you asking me, Dr. Moore? Do I want to take these with me? I want to just go.
Well, we've passed that point.
Okay, do whatever you think.
Well, I'm asking. I'm trying to be cordial, but you're not allowing me to. So.